Hi, this video is how to build a bill of materials for Ruckus SmartCell Insight. So just an overview. So SmartCell Insight, or what we call SCI, is a software-only big data analytics and reporting application. So basically it integrates with either SmartZone or Zone Director and provides you reporting and analytics for what's happening on your Wi-Fi network. So it comes with many reports out of the box built in, but it also gives you the ability to create custom reports in the field should you wish to. There's no hardware included, so this is not a hardware appliance, it's a VM, and it must be purchased with Watchdog support. So just to give you some technical information, so depending on how you deploy this, it'll support up to 3,000 APs on the master data node, and then 10,000 APs on each data node after that. So as you can see, Zone Director 3,000, 10,000, and then depending on the granularity, so whether you want 3-minute granularity or 15-minute granularity, it supports 1,000 and 3,000 or 3,000 and 10,000 per data node beyond that, right? You can deploy this on Hyper-V or VMware or KVM, or you could deploy it, of course, on Azure, Amazon Web Services, or Google Cloud. Any of those are possible. So in your bill of materials, I'm not including the fact that you need to have SmartZone and AP licenses and support on or Zone Director and support on those before SCI. So we'll assume that you've already gotten past the SmartZone or the Zone Director piece, and so beyond that, to make SCI work, you need the application SKU itself. So you need to buy the VM. You need to buy support on that VM. You need to buy a per AP analytics license, and then you need to buy support on that analytics license. So again, so this is on-site, right, as opposed to being cloud-based or something, or an appliance. So this is an on-site VM. You need to buy a server instance. You need to buy a per AP license. It is a one-time perpetual, so it's not a subscription service, but the support is 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, as you would expect. So here is a bill of materials, an example bill of materials, so easy enough, right? So in this case, we've actually included the SmartZone. So there is a SmartZone server license here, right? So one of those, there's 50 AP licenses in this particular example bill of materials. Then we've included the perpetual right to use SmartCell Insight application. So this is the VM for SmartCell, right? Does not include any AP licenses. Then we need to buy the 50 AP licenses to go with that, right? So there's our perpetual license for the 50 APs, so quantity 50 of those. Then we bought the Virtual Smart Zone right to use license for support for 3 years. The per AP Virtual Smart Zone license for 3 years. Then the Watchdog, the SCI support for 3 years for the server, and the 3-year support for the Wi-Fi analytics per AP. So 50 of those, right? So ignoring the Smart Zone piece of it, you're going to buy the right to use license for the server, which is perpetual, the 50 AP licenses, which is perpetual, and then we need the 3 years of support for the server and 3 years of support for the 50 APs. And that's it. So, this is 3 year. There is some options here. So there's 1 year and 5 year, of course, for all of those options as well, should you wish to buy more. And basically the way our support usually works is, if you buy the 3 year, you pay for 2, you get 1 for free. If you buy the 5 year, you pay for 3 and you get 2 for free. So that's basically how the pricing works on our 3 year and 5 year. Okay, so that's it. So SCI is pretty simple. Buy that server license, buy the AP licenses, and then you buy support on them, and you're good to go. All right, so that's it. I hope you learned something, and have a great day. Take care.